Hello teachers and welcome to this short video on AI content detection tools. I know that AI is a hot topic right now. It's both a scary and exciting time for educators. I wanted to go over some tools that you have at your disposal if you suspect a student has submitted AI generated content without the proper citation. Now I want to make it clear that none of these tools are perfect, especially if a student has heavily modified AI generated content, but perhaps it can prompt a conversation with the student you suspect submitted AI generated content as their own original work. So the first tool I'm going to mention is by OpenAI, the company that developed ChatGPT, the most popular AI chatbot. You can, insert a prompt and basically produce an essay based on your prompt or, any content. So OpenAI developed a tool. You're going to have to Google this because it's kind of tricky to get there. It's called the AI text classifier. So Google that. And then the first link here by OpenAI will be a link to the classifier. To get to the actual tool, you have to scroll down and click on Try the Classifier. Once you get there, I recommend that you bookmark this site. And the tricky thing is that this was developed for ChatGPT 3, and now we're in version 4. So it's not so great with 4. And it also, the limitation of it is that also requires at least 150 to 250 words or 1,000 characters in order to produce a result. So here I've got an essay that was produced by ChatGPT. I've got it on off screen here, but I'm going to copy and paste it. So I'm going to paste it into here, and I'm going to click submit. And it's telling me that it was likely AI generated. So maybe that's enough for me to have a conversation with the student who submitted this and maybe check for comprehension. Now the problem with this tool, like I said, it's already a little bit outdated and they haven't released a new version yet. For example, I'm going to type in the same essay, but I modified this essay using another AI tool that rephrases everything, similar to putting something in Google Translate, changing it to another language, and then changing it back to English, something like that. So I'm going to submit this, and now it says it's unclear. So this tool worked best if it hasn't been modified. It's straight from the AI generated source, and then this can maybe prompt a conversation with the student. So that's the first tool. Now, the second tool I want to mention, it's by a company called CopyLeaks. So CopyLeaks is similar to Turnitin, and they have plagiarism detection, but they also have AI content detection. So if you go to their website and click on the AI content detector, you can use their tool, similar to the previous one. You copy and paste. I'm going to copy and paste that modified essay that the other tool didn't detect. I'm going to click on detect, and there we go. It tells me, and it says it's 94.5. The probability is 94.5 that it's been AI generated, and then everything in red would be from the AI. Now, the cool thing about CopyLeaks is that it's actually an extension too for Chrome. So if you click this button here that says install Chrome extension, and this works with Edge too, Microsoft Edge, because they're both built on Chromium. Essentially add this to your browser and then you'll always have it ready to go. So here I've got CopyLeaks. Let's see, I've got my extension. I've got to click on a little puzzle piece and then I've got to click on the pin to activate it. So now I've got the CopyLeaks AI detector. So now what I can do is if I suspect something is AI generated, for example, I know this essay is, I can copy either the entire essay or portion of that essay, click on the little extension icon up here, and you've got to log in, you've got to sign up. So let me do that really fast. All right, I was able to sign up for it, so now I'm going to click on that icon. I'm going to paste the content I suspect is AI generated, and I click that a human write this. And again, it's saying that it's detected it, and if I highlight it, it'll tell me the probability that it's AI generated. The third tool is using ChatGPT and asking ChatGPT if it wrote an essay. So you have to have a ChatGPT account in order to do this because you have to use ChatGPT itself. To get an account, go to the OpenAI website and click on product and then click on ChatGPT. If you're using it in the middle of the day, there's a good chance that it won't be available. So you just have to kind of keep visiting it or keep refreshing the page until you get this screen here, and then you click sign up, and you'll sign up. You'll have to sign up for an account. You can use your Microsoft account if you wish. So once you log into ChatGPT, you type in, "Did you write this?" and then make a space here, and then you just paste the content. Push enter, and then it says, "Yes, I wrote this text." Now this time I'm going to ask, again, "Did you write this?" But I'm going to paste the essay that I modified. So it's the same essay, but I've changed it, like I said, using something like Google Translate. "Yes, I wrote the passage you have quoted." So that's 3 tools that you have available. Perhaps using 1 or 2 tools together will give you the best results. And just to show you how quickly this space is moving, as I was making this video, I got an email from Turnitin.com saying that their AI writing detection tool is going to go live on April 4th. And as soon as that goes live, I'll be sure to produce some content for that for you. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need some assistance with any of this, please feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.